And now we have a Heartline in Cantonese with multiple language subtitles from Si Cheng in Hong Kong.
首先感謝師父三位一體至大能者同無上師電視台無遠弗屆嘅加持力量，令地球以至外星都得到靈性上嘅提升。師父講過，你所布施嘅人係有功德先能夠獲得你嘅施予，而你亦都唔知道所布施嘅對象有可能係菩薩，能帶俾你好大嘅福報。近年喺香港九龍區棲身街頭嘅露宿者數目增加咗唔少，香港同修知道咗之後，準備咗由自己烘焙嘅純素食品派送俾佢哋享用。今次有別於以往派發餸菜飯盒嘅做法，改為純素瑞士卷呢種甜食為主，加上糙米飯團同五穀飲料，係因為師父最近示範製作甜點，話親自烹製嘅餐點、新鮮水果同自培糕餅同其他人分享，以作為家庭成員帶嚟溫馨甜蜜嘅提醒，等佢哋更加關懷彼此。雖然呢啲睇落去好似好平凡，但係喺物質世界裏邊，佢哋能夠立即撫慰同治愈任何破碎情感同平靜。同修十分踴躍參與，我哋首先去到露宿者最密集嘅行人隧道，眼見環境衛生惡劣，而佢哋嘅帳篷同家當沿住隧道延綿不絕。同修上前逐一向佢哋問好，敬送純素食物、純素傳單同無上師電視台名片，並分享師父嘅名字，等佢哋得以結緣。佢哋都好感恩咁接過食物，連聲道謝。之後我哋又去咗2個露宿者聚集嘅公園，順便亦都派發俾喺公園乘涼嘅街坊。我喺活動嘅第2日突然間冷親病倒，一直好怕睇醫生嘅我，今次真係冇得再拖啦，直接就睇醫生。結果醫生仲診斷出我有脾胃嘅疾病。嗰一下唔知喺邊度嚟嘅勇氣，我放低咗一直以嚟嘅執着，按照醫生嘅指示持續覆診，而家身體康復咗好多啦。今次活動俾我體驗到幫助別人嘅愛心活動，其實係為自己消除業障，帶俾自己好大嘅福報。香港陶兒子晴敬上。
Big-hearted Si Cheng, we appreciate your note, which filled us with joy due to your service to the unsheltered in Hong Kong. We are delighted to have this uplifting message from Master for you. Caring Si Cheng, thank you and the team for your benevolent actions. Giving selflessly is its own reward, yet it often returns multiplied. I am pleased that you are in good health and that you and the Hong Kong God's disciples were able to help the homeless feel cared for by the Kuan Yin family through some vegan sweet treats. Most never know if the person or animal friend they encounter may have been or is a bodhisattva, saint, or king. See God in all you meet. In divine light, may you and the capable people of Hong Kong always show compassion for all beings. Thanks and love to you and the Hong Kong team.
Most meat eaters are actually hooked on meat. If you try to transition to a plant-based diet and stop eating meat suddenly, your body is thrown into a chemical withdrawal, a kind of Johnson. Meat is an addictive substance like cocaine or heroin. Dr. Marilyn Kroplik, MD, vegan.
We welcome your heartlines, stories, and/or cute loving animal people clips. Please send them via suprememastertv.com/hotline